So in this video, I'm going to explain the movements, and this is also going to be your timer video. So if you want to follow along with me, this will be the video, and if you want the form, this is also the video. So your first move is a side rotation jump squat. So you're kind of shuffling your hips to either side really fast and then going into a jump squat. You're going to do this for 30 seconds, and then you'll have 20 seconds rest. Make sure your weight in the jump squat is in your heels. Keep rotating. And you got about 3 seconds. Awesome. So here's your 20 seconds rest, and I'll tell you what is up next. You have 10 more seconds of rest, and then we're going to go into a reverse plank march. So you'll want to get down onto your mat, and we're going to start now. So you're going to get into your reverse plank. You want to make sure that your wrists are stacked below your shoulders. Your head is not like shrugged, or your shoulders are not shrugged up to your head, and that your hips are not sinking down. As you can see, I'm just bringing my knee in towards my chest. Towards the end, my hips do start to sink a little bit, so if you notice that yours are doing that, just bring them back up into the air. You're really going to feel this in your hamstrings, and you're doing awesome. You have about 3 seconds. Awesome. So another 20-second rest. You have 10 seconds. Make sure you grab some water. Our next move is a kneeling knee drive. So you're going to get down onto your mat. And here we go. So you're going to start in a kneeling position with one knee on the ground, one knee up. You're going to use the knee that's down and drive it up into the air. Put that leg back down. Go to put your other leg back down, but then you're going to drive that one up. So that's how you'll do the alternating, as you can see me doing it in the video. Use your arms to help really drive you up. And we're going to keep your weight in your heel of your front foot. Awesome. And rest. So we'll rest for another 20 seconds. This is a decrease in the amount of rest time you've been getting, so hopefully it's a little bit more challenging. And you have about 5 seconds. And we're going to stay on the mat because we're going to do some kneeling 3-point push-ups. So here's me showing you I'm getting on my knees. You're going to do a push-up in the middle, walk out to one side, back to the middle, out to the side. So essentially, there's 3 points that you're doing your push-ups. We're doing it on our knees because it's just a little bit easier to rotate that way. So yeah, make sure your head's staying back. It's not leaning forward towards the mat. And here's your rest time. And you have 10 seconds more. So grab some water, because our next move is a bear pose shoulder tap. So this is going to be on your mat as well. For this one, you're really going to feel it in your shoulders, especially because you just did push-ups. So we're kind of burning out your upper body a little bit. So you're going to be in your bear pose, and then you're going to alternate and touch either shoulder. We have done this before, more in the beginning of the program. So hopefully you have the move down a little bit. Try not to rotate your hips too much. Tighten your core for stability. And yeah, just repeat this workout 3 to 5 times, and then you're done. Good job.